Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 8 and name of the chapter 8 is the body movements. Body movements. As you know that joints are of three types. Joints are of three types. Immovable joints. Second, slightly movable. Slightly movable and freely movable. Freely movable joints. And freely movable joints are of three types. Freely movable joints. Freely movable joints are of three types. First one, ball and socket. Ball and socket. Hinge joints. Hinge joint. Pivot joint. Pivot joints. In last class I discussed about these joints, and today I will start with the skeletal system. Skeletal system. Skeletal system. Skeletal system. In our body, there are different organs. In our body, different organs in our body. Different organ systems like the digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and so on. These systems consist of delicate organs like stomach and heart. To support and protect these organs in their places and to keep body upright, a rigid supporting system or framework is required, Such a framework or supporting system is called skeletal system. And a skeletal system consists of bones and cartilage. Skeletal system consists of bones and cartilage present in the body from head to toe. Bones are hard and present in the skull, and backbone or spine as vertebral column consisting of vertebrae, chest as ribs, and the limbs. In all there are about 206 bones in the human body. And have you seen the X-rays unit in hospital? Doctors use X-ray to examine the bones in our body particularly when you suffer from a fracture. Then they doing x-ray, and during that x-ray they know that what is the exact position of your bones during a fracture. And you can feel the presence of cartilage in your ear by pressing. This is the cartilage, and pressing portion in between your fingers as shown in figure 8.7. You have, when this is the cartilage, when you have to press like this, then you will feel that bones are not there, bones are not present. And cartilage is also found in the joints of the body. Skeleton is the term used to describe framework of the body. What is the skeleton? Skeleton is the framework of the body formed by the bones and cartilage. Formed by the bones and cartilage. Parts of skeletal system. 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 Bones of the skull, ribs. Bones of the skull, ribs, that is the chest, vertebral column, backbone or spine, that is called the backbone or spine, limbs, hands and legs, limbs, hands and legs. Limbs, hand and legs. This is the parts of the skeletal system. Bones of the skull ribs, that is the chest. Bones of the skull ribs, that is the chest. Vertebral column, backbone or spine, and the limbs, hands and legs. And functions. What is the functions of skeletal system? Functions of skeletal system. First one is the protection. It protects delicate internal organs from the injury. What is the function of the skeletal system? It provides protection to the delicate internal organs present inside the body. It is a work like a framework, and it gives protection. It provides protection. It gives protection to the internal organ, just like stomach, liver, kidney, etc. from the injury. So it is just like a framework in the body. And provides form and shape to the body. Second, form and shape to the body. It provides form and shape to the body. And movements. Third one is the movements. Third one is the movement. So first one is it provides protection to the body. Second one is provides form and shape to the body. And movement, bones provide a surface to which muscles are attached and contraction and relaxation of muscles produce movement. Contraction and relaxation of muscles provide movement in the body. So this is the functions of the skeletal system: protection and body shape and form, and body form and shape and movement. So this is the functions of the skeletal system. How many bones does the giraffe have in its long neck? Only 7, just like yours. Only 7 bones are present in the giraffe's neck. Muscular system. Now next system is the muscular system. Next system is the muscular system. Muscular system. Next system is the muscular system. Muscular system consisting of muscles helps in locomotion and movement. What is the muscular system? Muscular system consisting of muscles helps in locomotion and movement. Helps in locomotion and movements. Locomotion is the result of coordinate action of muscles of the limb bones, and the contraction and relaxation of muscles move the bones. Contraction and relaxation of the muscles move the bones. Contraction and relaxation of the muscles move the bones. Many bones of the skeleton act as a levers. When muscles pull on these levers, they produce movement such as the breathing movements of the ribs, chewing action of the jaws, and the flexing of the arms. So this is all about the muscular system. And next I will teach what is the muscles. What is the muscles?